This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking power and immediate connections. This is the fastest way to rule out simple faults. First, make sure the outlet and power strip work. Plug a lamp or phone charger to verify. Once done, unplug the monitor completely, video, USB, and power, and wait 30 seconds to drain capacitors. Next, inspect the external DC cable and connector for damage. If you have a spare cable or adapter, prepare it now to swap in during the next step. Now open the monitor carefully. Use your Phillips and keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. Once inside, scan the power board and main board for bulging capacitors, scorch marks, or loose ribbon connectors. These are common causes of a black screen. Then, reconnect the DC input and measure the main output rails, looking for 12 volts and 5 volts where specified. If rails are absent or low, replace the power board or try a tested external adapter to isolate the fault. Finish by replacing any failed components you identified. Most of the time, the power board or a loose T-con ribbon causes a black screen, so reseat that cable firmly and replace the board if needed. Once reassembled, power the monitor with one known good video source and a single verified cable to avoid signal confusion. If the screen remains black despite correct voltages, the LCD panel or T-con IC may be dead. At that point, consider sourcing a replacement panel or professional board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.